Hello friends, today I will tell you about how to write in metallic name in PIXELLAB. So we will start PIXELLAB, how to write beautiful. First of all, we should open PIXELLAB. When you will open this PIXELLAB, you will find this interface and you can write in this uh, choice any theme like this one, this one, this one, this one, 3D, this one, but I like this one. This one is very nice theme, I feel. And now I will write a name like I write LOVE, sorry, LIFE, life, and you can it size big and short. I will take this one. Okay, right, and then I will choose font. This one, Amarnath bolt is good. Every arm wrestler is also good. Blogger good. All are very good, but I like chunk 5. Okay, this one life. And first of all, you will start a metallic name in Google. I have already image some metallic. I will show you how you can take in Google metallic color. You will open your browser and then you will type image. I have start. Sorry, I didn't connect. Now I connect. Image. Enter. Open image. And then you will write here metallic. I will write in this box metallic color. Metallic color, very good. Here are here you will show many metallic color, but I like this one and this one. And you will take also a screenshot any color as you want to like. I have already like in my gallery taken a screenshot. You will open PIXELLAB live and then you will open texture. Here is texture and then you will touch this. In my gallery I have also already a screenshot of metallic color. Metallic color. Wooden color, wood color, and here you will find metallic color. This one I will take metallic color and then I will crop it. And you will find this and if you want to some change, then you will enable, and if you want to more beautiful it, you will stop and then it enable, and inner side you can red, any color as you want, pink, you can like this, but I like this one, and okay. So you can make any color as you want, metallic, fade in any words. So please keep on my video and like and share and subscribes. I will come another video as soon as possible, immediately. So please care on. Okay, thanks.